We'll guide you through how to resize videos in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, come into your CapCut project and go and select the media you wish to do this with. There are different ways you can go about resizing, so make sure it is full video. With it selected, press video in the top right and come into basic. You can go and adjust the zoom by clicking, holding, dragging to zoom it out, or you can go and zoom it in. You're going to notice as well, you've got these corner points in the video preview, which you can click, hold and drag to go and adjust as well. And what you can do is go and click and hold on the video in the preview and move it around where you want it as well. What you can do is you can go and switch off uniform scale as well. And then what you can do is independently change the width and height if you wish to go and stretch it or go and make it longer. I don't want to do that, so I'll just press Ctrl Z and turn it back on. What you can also do is if you wish to go and change the entire size of the video, press ratio below the preview, and you can choose the size. I could do 9:16, and I could then resize it to go and fit in here. There are some different ways you can go resize a video. Leave a like.